Nursing is a calling, a lifestyle, a way of living. Nurses gather here today to honor our colleague, Florence Nightingale, for her passion and commitment to serving others as a nurse. Florence is not remembered just by the number of years she worked as a nurse, but by the difference she made during those years by touching and impacting the lives of others. Thank you, Nurse Florence, for your legacy and dedication to caring for others.
The Nightingale Pledge. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I shall abstain from whatever is evil or mischievous, and shall not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I shall do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family matters coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. I shall be loyal to my work and devoted towards the welfare of those committed to my care.
When a calming, quiet presence was all that was needed, Florence was there. In the excitement and miracle of birth, or in the mystery and loss of life,
Florence was there.
When a silent glance could uplift a patient, family member, or friend,
Florence was there.
At those times when the unexplainable needed to be explained,
Florence was there.
When the situation demanded a swift foot and a sharp mind,
Florence was there.
When a gentle touch, a firm push, or an encouraging word was needed,
Florence was there.
In choosing the best one from a family's thank you box of chocolates,
Florence was there.
To witness humanity, its beauty in good times and bad, without judgment,
Florence was there.
To embrace the woes of the world willingly and offer hope,
Florence was there.
And now that it is time to be at the greater one's side,
Florence is there. A nurse's prayer. Give me strength and wisdom when others need my touch, a soothing word to speak to them, their hearts yearn for so much. Give me joy and laughter to lift a weary soul, pour in me compassion to make the broken whole. Give me gentle, healing hands for those left in my care, a blessing to those who need me. This is a nurse's prayer.
If there's any nurses in the congregation today, please stand with us for the final call to duty.
Florence Nightingale, please report for duty. Florence Nightingale, report for duty. Florence Nightingale, please report for duty. Florence Nightingale, you have faithfully served our profession, your patients, and their family members with compassion, dignity, and integrity. Florence Nightingale, we officially release you of your earthly duties. Your nursing brothers and sisters will take it from here.
Florence, we are presenting this white rose and Nightingale lamp as a symbol of our respect and appreciation for you being our nurse colleague.
The Nightingale lamp is a symbol of knowledge. It is lit at the beginning of the nurse's career and extinguished at the end.